This is the outside part of my Veken bidet. I am a pretty big fan of this. It is really slim, so it does not take up much room. It's really just like, it's a little further out than the bowl of, or not the bowl, you know what I mean, the tank of the toilet. And then it has this really long and sturdy cord, which I understand it's long so that it can reach a lot of places, but it's a little large and unwieldy in my opinion, but I'd rather have it be too long than too short, so not really a complaint there. When I installed it in this toilet, I did end up with some leaking problems. Fortunately, the kit comes with some Teflon tape that you can put over the place where you twist it together, and it'll like help seal it, and so I no longer have any issues with leaking. We've got this that goes under the toilet seat. It's got nice big holes, so you have a lot of control over where things go. So you can see this one, you can't really see the hole. It's probably straight that way. But it makes it really nice because these like twist in circles. So it gives you more flexibility for setting it up. It does both rear end washing and front end washing. I do notice that the little dot and maybe even that second dot don't actually produce any water. I don't know if that's because of my water pressure or not. I've had that happen in both of the two locations I've used this, but once you get up to the higher ones, it definitely will start to work. And at first it might be a little jarring. It is pretty high pressure in my opinion, but I'm a big fan of it at this point. And the one downside is that it doesn't like click between settings, so sometimes you can miss the off and you'll hear it dripping, but if you can hear it dripping, then you're fine. So I wouldn't think of that as too much of an issue, but that's just something to keep in mind. Like if you have kids, you might want to check after they use it, just in case. But yeah, in general, I'm a pretty big fan. I think if I were to buy it again, I'd get the self-cleaning model. Cleaning it's kind of annoying, which is why I'm not showing you the inside of my toilet part of it. But yeah, pretty nice product. Definitely pretty easy. I'm not the most I don't know, household appliance putting together inclined, but I didn't have any trouble with this. It comes with instructions, and there's tons of YouTube videos that also go through the process.